Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to show you how to back up your OneDrive folder to an offline location. Before we get started, please note that any shared folder will be unshared and not accessible. Let's jump right in and see how it's done. Hello everyone, welcome to morethanexcel.com. My name is Mahmoud Basyouni. If you just joined us, please subscribe or follow our pages, and surely do not forget to like our content. First, open Windows Explorer by clicking on this icon in the taskbar, or by pressing Windows key plus E. Then click on this PC, right-click on the OneDrive folder you want to move and choose Properties. Make sure you check the size, not the size on disk. This will give you an idea of how much space you need to store your files. Next, check your computer for free space. If you don't have enough, consider getting an external hard drive to move your files, and apply below steps to your desired empty space. If you have enough space in the same hard disk, select the location from the Properties window, copy it by pressing Ctrl plus C, or right-clicking and choosing Copy. Press the Windows key plus R, paste the location by pressing Ctrl plus V, or right-clicking and choosing Paste. Then press Enter. Press the Windows key and right arrow to split the screen. And on the left, choose this PC, then navigate to your OneDrive folder. Now create a new folder where you will move your files. In my case, I will create it next to the OneDrive folder and call it Backup OneDrive. If you're moving the files to a different location, create the folder in the destination location. First, make sure that you don't have any file open. It's preferable to move one folder at a time to avoid overloading your machine. To start, right-click on the first folder and choose Always Keep on this device. Once the status icon is fully green and checked, right-click on the first folder you want to move and drag it to the new location. Choose Move Here and wait for it to finish moving. The full progress might take a long time, since OneDrive will be downloading your files from the cloud, then moving them to your new offline location. Do the same for the remaining folders. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. See you soon on More Than Excel.